Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and for this video, as you can see already in the title, I have my Ipsy bag for March. Finally I got my bag. But before of that, I want to say a big thank you to all my supporters, and also I want to say welcome to my new supporters. As far I saw a couple minutes ago, I don't know if it's still there, but I had over 400 subscribers, so a big thank you from me. Thank you so much for your support, for your comments. You guys are great. And also I want to say thank you to Good Vibes Only. I don't know if you remember, but she's the lady who won my giveaway. Some of my last subscribers are coming from her channel, and also from Giggles, if I'm saying right, channel. And with this occasion, beside the big thank you and a big heart from me, what I'm gonna do starting with this video, and I don't know how you guys call that expression, shooting out, or anyway, is there an expression? I have no idea how you call that. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in the comment in the description box down below a channel. And because I was talking about Good Vibes Only, I will call channel of the day. I'm gonna leave her channel in the description box down below, so you guys can go check her out, check her channel, subscribe to each other, support each other, because this is the best way to find new friends, to learn new things from one to each other, and also to support your channels, to grow your channels. And I have to say that YouTube is a big and amazing community. So let's go ahead, guys, and support each other. Also, what I'm gonna do, as I said, today's channel is good vibes only. Also, what I'm gonna do in my next video, I will list another channel, but it's not gonna be just channels that are posting videos. I'm gonna do this with I'm gonna take my subscribers list, and in each video post one of those channels. And I'm gonna do this thing also with channels that doesn't post videos, just because I believe everybody deserves at least a small thank you, and this is my way to say thank you to somebody. If they don't have a description box on their channel, if their channel is not public, what I usually do, I subscribe to them. At least it's my way to say thank you for them. So I'm gonna list also those channels that doesn't post videos on YouTube, but they are supporting my channel, so I'm sure they will do the same thing with your channel. So as I said, for today we have the Good Vibes Only channel. Thank you so much for her. She is a lovely lady. Go ahead and check her channel, and her friends also. So yeah, that's all for that. As I said, today's channel is Good Vibes Only, and I'll see you with another channel. I will list another channel in my next video. So for today, as I said, I have my Ipsy bag. Finally, I got my bag. And in this month one, this is what was in my bag. Actually, it is in my bag. And first thing that didn't fit, actually they would, but I don't know why they didn't put this in the bag. I have two face masks. So this is Fate in Face. I want perfect makeup. And about this one, the new shit line by Fate in Face. It's pore care softening and moisturizing. So two of those. Then my bag, which I saw on other channels, comes with two markers, so you can start coloring this if you have time for. And here is my bag inside. And it seems like I start to kind of go down with Ipsy. At least the last months were not quite what I was expecting. I'm still thinking to keep this or to cancel. I don't know yet. What I really enjoy from Ipsy is those Ipsy offers. If you go on the ipsy.com, next to your bag you'll see the shopper menu. If you go there, you'll find amazing deals every day. From Monday to Friday they post a new deal. So That's why I still keeping Ipsy. We'll see. So this is March, the March bag, and the card is create. I believe this is relating with the markers and the coloring part. And another item in my bag is Effect. This is pore minimizing cleanser, and I'm sure we got still from Ipsy probably a lip balm from the same brand. So what I remark watching other people unboxings from Ipsy, everybody gets the same items. If I get something this month, you'll get, if you didn't got this months ago, you'll get this for sure in the next months. Actually, it's just a repeating process. I don't think it's related with your profile or things like that, but this is what I saw watching for so many times Ipsy unboxings. If I get this one this month, you'll get probably in 5 months from now. They use the same brands all the time, so if you didn't got this one, you have a chance in the next month. So it's the Effect cleanser. Then another thing here is from Steve Laurent, and this is, it's a lip oil. And by the way, I tried the one that came in the glossy box. It's a lip plump or something like that, but that was amazing. It's the first one that I use and I like, because whatever I used before was sticky, grossy, anyway. But if you wanna see that one, I can put that one in the samples of the week, so we can talk about more that one. This one looks like this. It's a pretty color. I'm not gonna open this one right now, but if you wanna know how this one is, just let me know in the comments down below, and we can put them in the sample of the week series videos. Also, if you see something in my unboxings that you wanna know how it is, let me know in the comments down below, and we'll find a way to review that. So the next thing in here is by Tarte. And this one is a deluxe sample 6 liter, if I'm saying right. I believe this is an eye crayon, which looks like this, and that's all you get. So let's see, here it is. So Tarte. And my last product in my bag is from Winky Looks. The box is really pretty, small and pretty, very spring, actually a spring design, really nice. And I remember also the Winky Looks is a brand that comes in Ipsy bags, because I got from them months ago. This was a concealer, and I really like that. I think I still have something from that one. Was a tiny under eye concealer, but was a good one. And here is the product inside. The box, it's really cute. And let's see how is this one. And actually this one is, it's a holographic highlighter. I don't have the ring lights on, but this turns in a pinky color. It's really pretty. I would say this is more for a day wearing, maybe and this is the way how it looks in the natural light, because somehow I forgot to turn the lights on. I'm getting old, so probably in the artificial light will look different, but we'll see how this one is. So far this is all in my Ipsy bag. I saw everybody got different items, totally completely different items, just the markers were the same. So let me know if you have the Ipsy, what do you think about this month box. So far it's okay, that's all I can say for this month. I will try of course the Tarte, because this is my size, because it's very tiny. I will use the Tarte. Of course I will try the highlighter, and I have to say this looks really pretty. Unfortunately Unfortunately you cannot see the color, but it's a really pretty one and also very powdery. Then I had those two masks and the lip oil and the cleanser. So as I said, if you see something that you want to know about, let me know and we can build together the sample of the week basket. So yeah, that's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Also, I just saw today Derm Store has if you have the Beauty Fix box, they come out with the bridesmaids. If I'm saying right, probably I'm saying wrong, but anyway, I will leave the link down below. It's a $50 box. I believe it's a limited edition with great items like Sandy Riley. What else was there? Many others, about 5 products, but I might be wrong. For that reason, I'll leave the link down below. If you have the Beauty Fix box, also you can use the coupon that Beauty Fix sent, or Derm Store, whatever how you like it to say. They send the coupons for the Peter Thomas Roth mask because they put the wrong size in March box. So also they send to everybody that an email with a coupon code for $25. So as me, you can use the coupon code to get the box. The box is $49 and something. You can get it with the coupon at half price, which is not bad at all. And also the items are really nice in the box. So with this being said, thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you again with another unboxing. This time it's gonna be a limited edition, and of course with another channels of the day. This video was good vibes only. Thank you so much to her and to everybody who subscribed. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye.